Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist here. And I thought I would do this kind of cranky looking kitty today. I'm going 4 times the speed and voicing over. There's a line to fit the eyes under. I just want to keep that nice slant because that's part of what makes Kitty look perturbed, angry, pouty, cranky, whatever you want to call it. And because we're just focusing on the face, I get a little bit more detailed with the face too. Not a whole lot though. Less is more. I wanted to do that over again. It just wasn't right the first time. Bring it down lower. Yeah, I like that better. Looked a little bit too squished up. Don't be afraid to use your eraser as much as your pencil for a drawing tool. Tighten up a bit here for the eyes. I like the look I've captured. Just need to refine things a bit now. And I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment about yourself or your cat, what you want to learn about cat drawing or whatever. Help build this awesome community of crazy cat artists. So the slant of the eyes, the slant of the ears, the angle of the mouth, all those things contribute to that expression. And little changes to those things really make a big difference. And those lines there too. Changing the angle of your lines on the face can really, tiny little changes can make a big difference in expression. So it's fun to play with. Just play with it. What do you think Kitty's pouty about? Maybe supper's not ready on time? Like that little change there, you see how little I changed on the mouth there, and it really changed the expression just a little bit. You know, a crankiness with a bit of sweetness in there, I think, is what I got. Now we're speeding up to 8 times the speed to finish this drawing off. And the whiskers. Darken those eyes up a bit too. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.